Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a budget with me. I got paid today actually, but I haven't got my money out of the bank yet, so I need to figure out funds get what. January paycheck number 1. All right, so our first category of sinking funds is going to be my credit card. And my credit card is going to get $100. The total money we are working with today is going to be $555. My check actually isn't what I would normally get, but that's okay. So my credit card is going to be getting $100 out of this check. My loan, this is a student loan number 2, is going to be getting $100 as well. Trying to pay down. I have interest that I need to pay on this loan before it starts taking down the principal with each payment. So I need to get the interest paid off first. Then I have savings. My savings is going to be 20% of what I made. That comes out to $111. And then this is actually one account that I want to build up. Next one is going to be dental. I'm only gonna budget $25 for that. I think I did 20 last time. I meant to do 25. Instead, I got dental and vision mixed up because vision is next. And I'm only gonna do 20 there. Okay, next category, we're gonna do gifts. Thankfully, I don't have anything to really purchase soon. My mom's birthday is Saturday, but I already have all her gifts. And then my next event is Valentine's Day for my boyfriend, but I already have his gift for that too. And then the next event will be in April, which is his birthday. So I don't really have any gifts that I need to purchase coming up. So I'm only gonna do $5 there. And then I need taxes. I do have side income that I have to pay taxes on, but it's not usually a lot. So I'm only gonna budget $5 there. And then we're gonna add our emergency fund. And emergency is going to get $30. I added my amount that's in my bank account to my emergency fund, so it's not technically zero. So that will give me a more accurate representation of how much money I have. And then I added the YouTube envelope, and I'm gonna put $20 in it. That's for any expenses for my YouTube channel. I'm gonna start saving for that. And then I'm gonna have a cushion envelope, and this is just for any extra expenses that I may have. Right now is a slow period in my work, and my checks fluctuate. They're not as steady as I want them to be. And so Cushion is going to provide me with extra money just in case I need it. And I don't have to take it out of my emergency fund. Left over, we have our challenge money. So right now I have $119 of this paycheck that I'm going to set aside for these challenges. Our city fund has $122. And then our loan is $160. Our savings is actually $161. Our dental is $45. Our vision is $45. Gifts, we just added money to that. Taxes, we just added money to that. Our emergency fund has $1,000 in the bank, so we're adding 30 to that. And then YouTube, it's a new fund, so that's just $20. Cushion is a new fund, that's just $20. And challenges, I actually have 140 set aside. So we have 259 for that. All right, so that seems to be our budget for this paycheck. This is the first paycheck of January. I am doing a no spend January, so I will not be cash stuffing any of my cash envelopes. I can save more money than I normally would. That's the goal anyway. So yeah, these are the envelopes we're going to stuff once I get my money from the bank, and that will be in the next video. So thank you for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe to my channel. I try to publish 3 videos a week, 2 to 3 videos. If there's something you want to know, leave me a comment. I have a low income, so I don't really have a lot of money to put for savings and debt repayment, but I try to put any extra money I have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.